How to add a custom Pro camera to the lock screen on Samsung Galaxy S26, S26 Plus or Ultra. Now on the home screen, touch and hold. Then tap on Wallpaper and Style. Next, tap on the lock screen panel. Then tap on the widget panel. From here, tap on Camera. Then tap on Custom Camera. In the widget panel, tap on the Start icon. Then tap on Title and Widget. Here you can name your shortcut. And tap on Saved. Then tap on Starting Mode. From here, choose whether you want to use the rear or the front camera. Then go down and select Pro. Then tap on the back key. Choose where you want to save your pictures and videos. And then tap on Saved. Then tap on Done. And tap on the Home button to go back to the home screen. Now on the lock screen, to quickly launch the Pro camera, just tap on it. And then use the fingerprint to unlock it. And here you will immediately open up your Pro camera. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.